Imagine this. You've gone silent, hoping she'll miss you, but instead she seems completely unbothered. Why does this happen? What's really going on in her mind? And how can you make your absence truly felt? Stick around, because this isn't just about going silent. It's about making every moment of that silence work in your favor. Silence. A tool or a trap? Silence can either be a powerful strategy or a complete disaster, depending on how you use it. When done right, it creates space for someone to miss you, but if done wrong, it can backfire completely. Here's the problem. Many people approach silence with the wrong mindset. They think, if I stop texting or calling, she'll realize how much she needs me. But here's the truth. Silence only works when it comes from a place of strength, not desperation. Think about this. If you stop talking to her but spend every moment checking your phone, waiting for her to notice, she won't feel your absence. Why? Because deep down, she knows you're still emotionally tied to her. True silence is not a tactic. It's a byproduct of self-respect and personal growth. When you step back, the focus shouldn't be on her reaction, but on your own transformation. Women can sense when silence is authentic and when it's forced. If it feels manipulative, she'll see it as immature or needy. But if it comes from a genuine place, it speaks volumes. The patience problem. One of the biggest mistakes men make with silence is expecting immediate results. Let's be honest, patience is hard, especially when emotions are involved. After going silent, you might think, she'll notice by tomorrow, or she'll miss me by next week. But emotions don't work on your timeline. Silence isn't a shortcut, it's a slow burn. If she's used to you always being there, it'll take time for her to notice your absence. At first, she might even feel relieved, thinking, finally some space. But as days turn into weeks, that initial relief fades, and deeper feelings start to surface. Curiosity, doubt, and eventually longing. The key is not to sit there waiting for her to text you. Real silence means letting go of expectations and trusting the process. It's a long game, but the rewards are worth it. How women process silence. Men and women process silence differently. When a man goes silent, he might expect an immediate reaction. But for women, it's a layered experience. At first, she might not even notice because she assumes you'll reach out again. She's confident in your pattern. But as time goes on, cracks form in that confidence. She starts to wonder, why hasn't he texted? Has he moved on? Is he really done with me? Here's the twist. Women are better at hiding their emotions than men. Even when your absence starts to affect her, she won't show it right away. You might think she's completely fine, but inside, she's questioning everything. Silence forces her to confront emotions she's been avoiding. It makes her miss not just your presence, but the energy, attention, and support you brought into her life. But remember, this takes time. Be patient. Silence without growth is empty. Here's the harsh truth. If you use silence as an excuse to do nothing, it won't work. No contact isn't about sitting around, waiting for her to notice. It's about using that time to improve yourself. Ask yourself, what have you done since you stopped talking to her? Have you picked up a new hobby, worked on your fitness, or built your confidence? Or are you just scrolling through her social media, waiting for a sign? Women are drawn to men who have purpose and drive. If your silence is paired with growth, it sends a powerful message. You're not waiting for her, you're moving forward. When she sees your progress, whether through social media or mutual friends, it creates a ripple effect. She starts to wonder, did I underestimate him? Did I lose someone amazing? The energy she feels. Here's the secret most people won't tell you. It's not the silence itself that makes her notice. It's the energy behind it. Silence without substance is forgettable. But silence paired with confidence, growth, and purpose, That's unforgettable. Women are intuitive. They can sense when a man is thriving and when he's not. When you're genuinely happy, confident and focused, it creates a magnetic energy she can't ignore. She'll start to feel your absence not just physically, but emotionally. She'll question her decisions, wondering, why does he seem so happy without me? Why chasing backfires? Chasing after someone who has distanced themselves only pushes them further away. It sends the message, I don't value myself enough to wait for you to realize my worth. When you chase, you eliminate the mystery. There's no tension, no excitement. You've laid all your cards on the table, and she has no reason to wonder about you. Instead of chasing, cultivate patience and self-respect. Let her come to you. When you pull back, you give her the space to evaluate what she's lost. This isn't about ignoring her, it's about showing her that your world doesn't revolve around her validation. The psychological impact of absence. When you remove yourself from someone's life, you create a void, and that void is powerful. Absence forces reflection. She'll start replaying memories, analyzing conversations, and questioning her decisions. Why? Because routine has been disrupted. She'll begin to wonder, why hasn't he reached out? Did I make a mistake? But here's the catch. The impact of your absence depends on the value you brought to her life. If you were supportive, confident, and enriching, your absence will feel significant. If not, it might go unnoticed. When she reaches out, if your silence prompts her to reach out, how you handle it is critical. Don't respond too quickly or eagerly. Stay calm and confident. When you do reply, keep it light and positive. Show her that you're thriving without her. This not only piques her curiosity, but also reinforces your independence. Confidence is key. Confidence is the foundation of attraction. It's not about arrogance, it's about knowing your worth. When your silence comes from a place of confidence, it sends a powerful message. Focus on building yourself, set goals, pursue hobbies, and invest in personal growth. When she sees your transformation, it challenges her perception of you. Stay true to yourself. No contact isn't about manipulation. It's about rediscovering yourself. Focus on your happiness, growth, and well-being. Whether she comes back or not, you'll be in a place of strength. Thank you for watching The Stoic Route. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And remember, your worth isn't tied to anyone else. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep growing. See you in the next video.